Hi there guys, today we're going to open another little present from MOFT. So, full disclosure, they sent this to us, it's not something we bought, and let's get into it, shall we? So this is something I've been interested in quite a while. Not this sticker. What is this made out of? Jeez. I use my iPad a lot more than my MacBook for work. And the keyboard on the iPad is okay. It's got good haptics, but you know, it's not amazing, and it'd be easier for me if I did have a little keyboard. So MOFT have this little doodad. Oh, a nice foldable keyboard, and it comes in a lovely felt bag. Now, quite small. I like it. How do you open it? I might have to read instructions. So, what else comes in the box? Instructions and a charging cable, which is micro USB. Not a fan of that, but I wonder what the battery life would be like. So I am going to read the instructions because I don't want to break it. Let's just figure it out. Oh, that's quite simple. Oh, what I didn't realise when we asked for this is it's got a little touchpad. Touchpad? Trackpad. It's pretty good. And the see, you can't even see that it's foldable when it's folded out. You can see it's pretty small, but feels pretty good. Like, it's made from metal, so good. Nice quality metal. Hinges are plasticky, but they still feel pretty good. So let's try to pair this up, shall we? I don't think I ever use Bluetooth on my iPad. I don't connect my AirPods to it, I just listen to it as it is because it's got 4 really good speakers. So I am going to have to read the instructions of how to connect it now. No, it doesn't have a tilt. It has it's got 2 little feet there. So Sean has just asked whether the keyboard tilts, and it doesn't. It's got 2 teeny feet, but I think they are just for stability more than anything else to make sure everything's level when you type in. So Sean's just found out that to pair them, you hold in 1, 2, and 3, and it's got 3 different levels, 3 different modes for pairing, so you can connect 3 different devices. So let's try it. Oh, it's connected using MOFT Bluetooth 5.1. May affect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Weird warning. Didn't expect that. And let's try and just set up the trackpad as well, because it's probably quite fun. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to move this down a little bit so you can see. So you can see where your mouse is, and then when you go over something to click, it highlights it.
Can you scroll?
Yeah, got a good scroll. No one judge how little battery I have as well. Okay, so I mean, I'm very impressed with the trackpad and the clicks right now. It's not very sticky. Yes. And Sean's got quite a shiny gloss table, but it is moving around a little bit. That could be an issue, but I suppose you could just add some little plastic rubber feet on there to like stop it if you wanted to. So what's it everyone always types? The brown fox
jumped over the brown cow.
No, no, you need a Z in it. Over the brown
zoo cow.
I spelled brown wrong. Zoo cow. Yeah, that's all the letters of the alphabet. Okay, that's actually a really nice type. Type. Hello, I am typing. This is the MOFT key. Foldable. Oh, tiny backspace. That would take a lot to get used to. Foldable keyboard. So what they've done, so the keyboard itself is like a good size, but they've made all the like the backspace, the enter and the shift really small to fit in this trackpad. So even though I really like the trackpad, that will take a while to get used to. So it's got lots of different functions as well, as we just found out. So function home, or function F1 takes you home. Function F2, oh, just a search. That's pretty good. If I want to use voice search, I can go down there. I don't know how much of this is brightness. Change brightness. I don't know how much of this is MOFT or Apple, but they're working together really well. So the functions are good. Volume. Oh no, I don't know what I just did there. I just opened that somehow by changing the volume. Let's swipe to the bottom. Nope. How did you do it? Oh, swipe to the bottom and click.
If you swipe down and then down again, it takes you home.
Oh. I need to learn gestures. You know, there's only so much time in this planet. And then a screenshot if I wanted to. That's actually really handy. Especially if you're using this kind of standing up. Where did I put it? So say if you're typing something really important. You can't see what I'm typing, but it's really good. It's eloquent. Oh god, it's beautiful. It's bringing a tear to my eye. But then I need to take a screenshot quickly. I would have to just turn the screen off. Come on. So the screenshot wouldn't work, but just to be able, kaboom, screenshot. You're not going to see what I'm typing though. It's too beautiful for the internet's eyes. And I think that's pretty nifty, pretty swift. Let's compare it to the actual iPad size-wise. So about that. For that camera. I'll get my phone out as well to compare it. So it's a little bit bigger than an iPhone 12. Do you have your 11 Pro? Sean doesn't have it because we're filming with it. But yeah, that's actually a really good size. And I'm really chuffed with it. I wonder what the battery life will be like. I don't think there will be a way to find out without actually just running it down and using it loads, so we'll try to do that for the next video. My only dislike is the micro USB. So, but that's neither here nor there. Like, everyone's got that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Thank you MOFT for sending this over. If any other big companies want to send us anything, Apple's releasing new iPhones, we'll take some of them. Sean, do you want anything?
The new Surface.
Do you want me to talk to Mr. Bill Gates?
Yes, please.
I'll give Bill a call privately. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Depends which way you're watching the video. And we will see you next time. Goodbye.